Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Thursday, September 17. The draft version of the National Building Bill will be adjusted to make it mandatory for buildings to have rainwater harvesting facilities. This will ensure that Jamaicans are in a position to deal with drought conditions when they arise.
We're trying to fine-tune that arrangement before we take the bill to cabinet and then for debate. That's the only thing that is holding it down. All the structural things, the relations with professionals, and so on. All of those have been cleared.
The National Building Bill will formally adopt the National Building Code, which will govern the construction sector. It will also address illegal construction and formulate the accreditation process for building products. And as the administration continues the local government reform process, stakeholders are being trained to expand their knowledge of the sector. This follows the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the local government ministry and the University of Technology. The $6 million project, which was funded through the ministry's Equalization Fund, will initially last for a year.
Training has already commenced, and the first phase of training, where 50 persons from the local authorities and agencies were trained in the International Code Council Building Code documents. Also, persons trained are directly involved in the acceptance and review of building plans submitted by developers island-wide.
Mr. Thorpe added that this will help speed up the time it takes for parish councils to approve building plans. Through the Application Management and Data Automation Amanda system, parish councils now have a 90-day timeline for building approvals. Another manufacturing company has signaled its confidence in the Jamaican economy with a significant investment. Wisynco has pumped $600 million in a new filling and packing line for beverages at its White Marl St. Catherine plant. After touring the facility on Wednesday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller said she was pleased with the improvements.
This will not only redound well for its customers, but also for the manufacturing sector and the economy as a whole. I therefore wish to commend the Wisynco Group, its hard-working employees and leaders for the significant investment it has made in Jamaica and for its shared mission to improve the lives of our people.
The Prime Minister also urged Wisynco to take advantage of opportunities under the second phase of the National Export Strategy and tap into non-traditional markets. Several business entities have registered to participate in the Jamaica Product Exchange JPEGS 2015. The country's largest business-to-business marketing event for the hospitality industry will be held from September 20 to 22 at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James. More than 190 suppliers and 115 buyers from a number of countries will attend this year's event. The head of the Tourism Linkages Hub says the aim is to strengthen the partnerships among players in the manufacturing, agriculture, and entertainment sectors.
Our participation in JPEGS is another step in the right direction to the local tourism sector and the Jamaican economy as a whole.
President of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Nicola Madden-Gregg, says she's confident that JPEGS 2015 will be a successful marketplace.
Both our hoteliers, attraction operators, and transportation providers are ready, and our overseas partners are excited to see what's new in Jamaica. Let's go out and sell Jamaica.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has reiterated government's commitment to education and training.
Our commitment can be seen in the significant investments we continue to make in the education sector, including the construction and equipping of schools, training of teachers, principals, school board members, and other leaders in education, assistance with books and meals at some levels of the education system.
The Prime Minister was speaking recently at the official opening of the Fidel Castro campus of the Anchovy High School in St. James. The school's second campus, which will ease overcrowding at the main campus, will house 900 students from grades 7 and 8.
I look forward to the Fidel Castro campus becoming a full-fledged school, a goal that the Ministry of Education has set for itself to be accomplished by September next year.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.